Hey, welcome to the Mortgage Minute this week. Really quick and easy, a couple of points. Number one, after an aggressive 2018, the Bank of Canada is suggesting that it will take it easy with no more rate hikes. If they are going to do rate hike, it'll be in the third or fourth quarter. So we got a little bit of a reprieve there. Now, other good news for you first-time home buyers and everybody looking to get mortgages in the spring market. Real estate industry lobbies Morneau, that's just not Justin Morneau, Mr. Morneau, who's the finance minister, to help with first-time home buyers in the budget. The suggestion is they may introduce a 30-year amortizations back in the mix, or at least give us a break on the stress test. Do we really need a 2% stress test? The mortgage industry is lobbying to get it down to 1%. So there could be good news. Look for this good news on the horizon as we enter into the spring market here, and combine that with rate wars. It could be a good time for people to get back into the real estate market. We could see a little bump here in the spring after what has been, especially in the Vancouver market, a real downturn so far in the spring market. Meanwhile, it is RSP season, so a couple of quick messages. Number one, you've got till the end of the month to make your RSP contribution, but you don't necessarily have to decide exactly what you're investing in. If you're not sure what to invest in, all you want to do is get the tax benefit. Then go down to your bank and make a contribution into something that's fully liquid that you can change at a later date. You're able to do that. So if you want to make your contribution, just make it into something. And then I shared this last week, I'm going to share it again. CNBC said nothing worked for investors in 2018. That's fake news. Wow, guess what? There are a couple of things. And I joked about this, but really, I look at the investments that we were offering for our clients in this past year. AP Capital produced a 7% return. Centurion has some great results in their REIT, the Real Estate Investment Trust, also a REIT, which is a Real Estate Opportunity Trust, and that was about between a 7 and 12% return there, 7% return for the mortgage fund. So again, if you would like information on these and you're saying, hey, my stocks and bonds had a major correction and there was a downturn in Q4 and I'm really worried about the volatility, consider placing some of your money, not all of it, but placing a percentage of those funds into non-correlating assets such as AP and Centurion. And it's worth having the conversation. So if you'd like to have that conversation, make the contribution to get the tax benefit. That can just be put into cash at a local bank today. And then later on, when you're ready to really consider what you'd like to do with those RSPs, or if you're considering moving a component into non-correlating assets, give us a call. Send me an email to peter@peterkinch.com. That's the Mortgage Minute for this week. Thanks very much.